This is not a sales talk, this is not training session, this is an industry conversation, broker to broker. Over the years, I have worked with many brokers, different experience levels, different cities, and one pattern is very clear. Most brokers are chasing clients. Very few are respected by them. आज हम ये समझने की कोशिश करेंगे क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है. No judgment, no ज्ञान. Let me say one uncomfortable truth. Clients don't disrespect brokers intentionally. They respond to how the broker shows up. Most brokers believe if I am more available, clients will respect me more. Reality is just the opposite. Unlimited availability often looks like uncertainty. There is another misconception. Being busy means being professional. Running from one site visit to another does not build authority. Authority comes from clarity. जब ब्रोकर खुद ही कंफ्यूज होता है अपने रोल को लेके, क्लाइंट नेचुरली कंट्रोल ले लेता है. लेट मी शेयर फ्यू ग्राउंड ऑब्जर्वेशंस, एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड. फर्स्ट, respect starts with role clarity. Are you a deal chaser or a decision guide? Many brokers mix both roles, and that creates confusion. Second, most brokers struggle because they work without structure. No process, no client filtering, no defined way of working. So every client feels urgent. Every call feels critical. And when everything is urgent, nothing feels valuable. There is a hard truth. If your work looks easily replaceable, you will be treated replaceable. Showing listings is not differentiation. Guiding decisions is. Now, a small real example. I have seen two brokers handle the same buyer. One kept calling daily, sharing options, pushing visits. The other said calmly, let's first understand what you will not buy. Same buyer, different approach. Guess who the buyer trusted more? Calm always beats chaos. So, what really changes things? Not aggression, not speed, structure. Let me share something personal here. I receive around 4 to 5 calls daily, but most of them I politely say no. Not because I don't want business, but because I know where I can genuinely help. I work within a very defined segment and a very defined geography. If a deal doesn't fit that, I don't stretch myself. And something interesting happens. People respect that clarity. They may not work with you immediately, but they trust your honesty. A structured broker slows the conversation. They ask better questions, they don't rush answers, they define the process early. The moment you stop reacting, you stop chasing. And the moment you stop chasing, respect starts building. Let me close with this. Broking is not about how fast you move, it is about how clearly you think. Respect is not created in one deal, it is created in how you operate every single day. Clients can sense who is desperate and who is deliberate. Think about that. Thanks for listening.